Okay, today is the day that it is. I've taken out the carburetor because the engine was flooded with gasoline. And I thought that maybe it might be the carburetor's fault, but now I'm thinking that the engine just wasn't starting. And so every time I tried to start it and turn the engine over, it was sucking more gasoline into the engine with nowhere to put it because combustion wasn't happening. So I think that maybe it might be a spark problem because air, fuel, and spark to make the engine go. So now instead of digging into the carburetor, because that seems super complicated, I am going to check the spark plugs, and if those aren't good, or if they are good, that will worry me more because that means I have to check the distributor right over there, which I know nothing about. So hopefully I got bad spark plugs, and I might also need to do a compression test as well. So, learning lots. Okay. And so that's the distributor spark plug wires, which lead to the spark plugs. So these gray wires are the spark plug wires. So if I can disconnect this, I can check out the spark plugs, which is cool. So I guess I'll do that. Should I disconnect my battery? No. Yeah, no, I think that'll be fine. Maybe. Alright. Anyways, and I have this little tool looking thing right here. And apparently you can check the gap of the head of the spark plug. Focus. And I got lucky because it was on my key. Cool. So, yeah, hopefully I can just change out the spark plugs, put the carburetor back on, get some good fuel in there. Alright, now how do I take these things off? So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I need to remember which order they go in. So time for some tape. guess that's true. I can just put them back on. Oh shit, I took one out. Oh. I don't actually know if I need to label these. Alright. Yeah, what am I doing? I don't know what that is. Alright, I'll do it. Really don't want dirt getting inside that. Let's see. This one goes. That might be being extra. Alright, so I unplugged that from somewhere down there. It's right underneath this. And that's where the spark plug is. And never taken out a spark plug before, so oh, it's literally just hanging out right there. Let me see if I can get that. I do not want dirt up inside that. So I guess I'll just take it off. So can I just take that spark plug off my hand, or what? I mean, it's screwed in there, alright? Alright, can you see that spark plug? I gotta get this bad boy up in there. Spark plug. Right here. Spark plug. Is it tingly? No, it's not tingly. Okay, so can I just twist it? Can I just twist that out? Okay. The spark plug looks like I need a socket wrench. I'm going with the tall boy 1/2 inch. Yo, how do I get that out? 5/8 right there. Looks like I'm grabbing someone. Again, tall boy. Where's my thingamajig? Okay, I just wrenched it up with this thingy right here. And of course I jammed my finger. So it's right under here. I can just do it by hand now. Let's see how the SparkPlug is. Well, it's black. But it's black. I think black is fine. I think black is fine. Okay. Well, I got a spark plug. So maybe it is a carburetor thing. Yeah. I don't know. I just do not know. Looks fine. Okay. I don't know. That looks pretty good. Well, I guess we'll just check the gap between this little thing right at the top, this middle roundy thing, and that pencil tip looking thing. It's supposed to have a certain gap. I just gotta read it in my owner's manual. It looks fine. I'm not really an expert though, so I'm gonna pause the video, read my owner's manual, and then put it back in so I don't lose it.